Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HOTWAV Pad 8. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. I will start with my Android. Click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the other one, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. Now you can click on Not Now if you want to and don't miss new updates pop up. And to close it, select OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. Finally, you can tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive right next to Send at the bottom of Pad 8. Now go back to an Android and using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to select Allow a couple of times. When you finished, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Pad 8. Then select while using the app in the pop-up to allow camera access and point your tablet's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Last but not least, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!